welcome back. Today, we're going to be working on the vent window frame assembly. Now, this piece is at the very front of the car. The winch actually goes right here. And if we open this up right here, you can actually open this glass panel. It's kind of hard to open though, which is why we're going to replace it. This was meant to let air flow into the car without having to open the windows. And you can close it right back up. So, what we're going to be replacing today is this weather stripping and rubber right here. It's still in pretty good condition, but we're still going to replace it just cause. We're also going to replace the weather stripping right here. Now this is very bad. We definitely need to replace this. And that is what we're going to be doing today.
Now this part's a little tricky, so I'm gonna hold this up to the camera so they can see it right here. So right here, here's this pivot, right? Goes back and forth. Underneath here is a little stopper. So let's see if we can get it up in the camera right here so you can see it hits this bracket right here and prevents it from going any further. But in order to get this rubber out, on my side, I cut the rubber out, which worked just fine. And we might wind up doing that. But this thing was really difficult to get up. I actually had to bend this bracket right here to allow this pivot arm to come out. So we're gonna see if we can do the same thing here. And if we can do that, then we can get this entire rubber out. If not, we'll just cut it like I did the other one. So.
that's much better.
Yep. Yeah, that's part of the weather stripping kit we got. This is the new one that will go in. What are you doing now, Dakota?
Oh, since we got the weather stripping out, I'm now going to clean it to put some new stuff in. So.
Pretty dry in there. Feels like it. So, what I did on the last one is I didn't spray glue all the way down. I just kind of put it in some certain spots. So I'm using this popsicle stick to kind of measure. So I did one there. And one right in the middle, and then a little bit on the end. And the reason that that matters is when you take this and when you look at the length, it's obviously longer than what you need.
So we're going to need to take a knife and cut it off.
Yeah. So the first thing that I did though was kind of matched it up at the top as much as possible. Just left a little bit there. But at least this way, and you can hold this if you like. Do this so that you know where to spray the glue on here as well. So you've got some glue right here, and it's basically you got to put it on both surfaces and you got to wait a few seconds before you make contact so that it'll stick. And so I use this little glue applicator to do it.
I just spray it on there and put it on there? That's what I was thinking I was going to do. Right here, and up here. On both sides.
You're putting it on the bottom of the surface there. So you gotta measure it too. You gotta go like this and see where you're putting it. It goes on the bottom like this. And then you're gonna try and put some in there as well.
That's good. Right?
Let me pick it up real quick. Because you gotta make sure that it's down in that groove. It's so wet down here. Dry it. So gotta make sure that this sits down inside those grooves. Because if you look right here,
How those grooves look like?
there's grooves on either side. And we're trying to make sure that this sits down inside that. But you gotta be careful too, because you don't want to rip the belt. Just feel that go in. Yeah.
Alright, so there's no hanging here. Keeps it that piece. There's a little middle piece here that keeps it from going out on the head buttons. Actually, you should probably pull this up a little bit.
Do what?
See that white line? Put it like right here.
Going straight. I mean, like